travel buddies. Okay, so it's 3:30 in the morning. That's not unusual. It's actually a little late. I had a very good night sleep here. I laugh because what's my definition of a night? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, the script. The very important script that, to remind myself, this script was written because of the technicalities that I actually have going on at home. In other words, no trip was happening this year. So whatever has happened, yeah, it has been perfect. It will be perfect. It's going to be perfect. It's what had to be. And what am I really getting at? It seems like every island I was surprised that you leave tomorrow. I know. It was an accelerated trip. And here's the other thing. I chose these islands that you just can't get to. Right, there's no direct flight to Patmos. There's no airport. What time is sunrise in Patmos, Greece?
Sunrise will be at 6:50 a.m. today.
It's another windy day. Listen, I gotta get to work. So you go back to bed. And I'll see you around 6. Anybody know what this is? Not the actual date, the moment. This moment in Tony history, the vlog. It didn't end too well for the drone. No, it was what they call a bust. Last year I was prevented from climbing the rock. I'm a believer that fate stepped in and kept me from climbing the rock. That being said, let's be careful. Oh, it's really huge, just beautiful. Godly. Here's where it went wrong last time. Yeah, I put the drone on track me. It was to follow me, and it got confused by the rocks. There's an undercurrent of wind. Yeah, it wasn't good. And I actually wrecked it twice, hitting the rocks. So what did I do? I flew it over the water. In my cave. Oh, they're coming. This crew is coming. There is a drone etiquette, believe it or not. Others might not follow it, but if I have other people around me, you do not lift the drone up. And for them to have their sunrise experience, you know, I'm okay with that, but it's not fair to them. So what does that mean? That means the drone shot will not come from this cave if they come up here. Look at them. It's like a zombie movie. Here they go. Those rock stars went higher than me. Da 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 da. My old friend. because I got a do-over. Yeah. I came here one time, I left charged. I then came back another year, and that's last year, and I wrecked the drone. It's not a big deal. It's not a big deal. But the walk back, it's feeling defeated. It's taking what I like, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't do any more video. And in fact, on the way back, I realized that the cost is too much, and I said, I'm shutting down the vlog. But those are the feelings I had when I walked back last time. And I can't help but notice what it feels like to walk back and to feel happy, to feel accomplished. Yeah. I didn't mess up.